Good day, everyone. I'm OlaMaye and welcome to my channel. Today, you all, I have a Coach haul and a Ross haul. Coach unboxing. So let's take a look and see what we have. Of course, I cannot open everything with everything here, so I'm going to have to do one by one, and I'm going to start with Coach. So this bag is another bag that was not planned, but it was on my list previously. If you cannot tell by the silhouette, this is a large bag. It is a large Laurel. And I'm actually going to blame this bag on another fellow wonderful content creator at Content with Candace. And I will tag her on this video as well. She recently shared a video where she alerted everyone that the large Laurels were no longer on the Coach outlet website. So, of course, that made me start looking, y'all. So, I started looking, was able to locate some for her, and she shared those in her unboxing on her channel. And this color and this texture of leather was on my list. And I actually shared a short video of this last year because I believe when the Coach Laurel began being available in the smaller size is when this color debuted as well. And this is the information for it here, CBG 98 in the color tan. And I did a short video of this particular size, the medium or the regular size, and then the small, all on the show. So I'll try to remember to include that short video in this description as well. So y'all, this color here, along with the wallet that I previously unboxed, which is here from a Coach video, that I was hoping that would match the pecan tabby, that it did not match. I thought about holding on to this to see if it will match this particular bag here. So let's take a look and see. And if you haven't seen a large Laurel before, and this one is different because it's smooth leather. Usually the Laurels are in pebbled leather, but this is the only color tan that is in the actual smooth leather. So quick look at the inside. It does look pretty good. I did order it from a store. Like I said, it's no longer available on the website. And it just has the pocket here on the inside. It looks good, y'all. It still has the sensor inside, the packaging here, and the strap is still connected. And it does come with the shoulder strap and the crossbody or longer shoulder strap. And it does have a slip pocket here. So there are still a few colors out there floating, y'all, which is chalk and this color, if you can find it. And I believe black is also another color. And Candace was able to get the dark stone as well. So it does have the snap pocket on this back side here. And it is, like I said, it's a large size purse. I thought that I was done with Laurels and decided that it was going to be a silhouette that I would go ahead and part ways with from my collection. But this particular leather and this color changed my mind. So let's see if this wallet matches. And again, it's pretty close, but it is not an exact match, if you all can see that. And I'll take off the additional light as well. So the toffee, and this again is the retail leather color toffee. I did unbox this and I wrapped it in a previous video. Well, actually, y'all put this in the wrong bag, and so please disregard that. That is not the correct information. So I must have put the tag in here and tore up the packaging. This is for my chalk heart card case. So I guess I call myself protecting this while I held on to it. So this is the information for it. This is still on the Coach retail website. Let me turn my additional lighting back on. CZ111 toffee, and it is the essential card case holder. So it's a wallet, and it comes with this snap-off card case as well. And y'all, I love this color so much. That's why I was holding on to it, trying to find something to match it. It's very, very close to this large Laurel, but as you see, it does not match. Just a quick look at the overview of it. It's not an exact match. It wouldn't hurt. I do have a tan rust wristlet that I think is probably a little bit closer. I don't know if this is too close to the camera, but let me double check for y'all. I'm thinking that may... Let me know what you all think. The tan rust or the toffee. And then the other option I have with my burnished amber jacquard tabby. I think it's probably closer to this. And let me bring it back closer to the camera. That's almost, I don't know. It's like the burnished amber is so close to the toffee. But I think this is probably closer. Or I could get away with combining the tan rust. No. I could pick one or the other. The tan rust or the burnished amber. I think will go well with that. But the toffee is close, but not quite. So let me know what you all think on that, if you can see the differences. If you think the tan rust, which is option 1, the toffee, or the burnished amber would go best with the large Laurel. So all in all, I am happy with the large Laurel. I'm glad I got in that color. And it still has some wrapping on the inside that let me know that it was in pretty good condition. So we can go ahead and move on, y'all, to the next items. And if you are watching and you are not subscribed, feel free to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you are made aware each time that I upload a video. I have quite a few items to get to, so I am going to go ahead and keep it moving. Before I keep it moving, I did want to give you all a better look at the Laurel, as well as connect the shoulder strap to it. So let me do that, and then I will keep it moving on to the next goodies that we have to unbag and unbox. So while I'm doing this, y'all, in this video, you are going to see some Karl Lagerfeld and some more Coach and Kate Spade. So it's actually going to be my first Kate Spade unboxing that you all are going to be able to see, unbagging. But just the 360 of it. It does not have feet, as you saw. And let me know in the comments, y'all, if y'all got the Laurel in the new smaller size, or if you prefer the regular size, or if you missed the large size and you have the large in your collection. Focus. There we are. Or if you prefer the large and you have the large in your collection. Let me know, y'all. So now we can go ahead and keep it moving to the next item. Okay, so now we're going to take a look at an item, y'all. I went out of town recently and I shared the video with you all of the Coach retail walkthrough. And so more items are coming from that. But while I was out of town, I did, of course, check out the Ross there. And y'all, I found this beautiful Kate Spade bag that I had never seen before. So I was literally in the Ross store Googling to find out more about this bag, to see if it was from the retail or if it was from the outlet. From what I found, it is an outlet bag, a Kate Spade outlet bag. This is the code for it, KK191. And it is a Love Shack heart crossbody. And the color is ruby red. So, like I said, I was standing there researching, Googling. I saw the price. So, It wasn't bad at all, especially for this silhouette. And this silhouette was one of my favorites and inspired by the Coach silhouette, the Coach heart bag, which I have here. And the only thing that I missed on this particular bag is that it did not have a top handle strap. It does have removable straps, a crossbody that you can have here on the sides, but it doesn't have a top handle as well. So this was the inspiration for getting this bag. But of course, I had just unboxed this one with you all, which is the top handle tabby in red. So that was my dilemma in the store, y'all. And I want y'all's feedback to see which one of these bags would you all pick and prefer. The top handle tabby. And I just took the crossbody chain and put it on the handle there, so I wouldn't have to have it in and out of the bag or halfway in, halfway out. But y'all, when I saw this bag, I could not leave it in the store at all. But like I said, it took me a while to decide because I had just unboxed this one. To me, this one is smaller. And I love the silhouette of the heart bag. But let me know which one y'all prefer. If you can see the differences in the color reds. They are pretty darn close. Yet different. But to me, this is a really fun bag. The silhouette as well is timeless. You don't see heart bags every day. So I will go ahead and unwrap it so you all can see. And let me know if you all have a Kate Spade Love Shack bag as well. From my research, it looks like it came out maybe about 4 years ago or so. So I saw a couple videos of it in different colors and also different leathers. So all of them did not have the quilted leather option. Some of them had like the smoother leather, like a Saffiano look leather to it. But this was the only color I believe I saw in the quilted in this particular silhouette. But you can see the inside. It does open pretty good. It has the fabric guards here on each side as well. And it has 2-3 card slots built in to the lining of the bag. So it is a good sized bag. Let me see if I can fit my phone in here. Okay, so I can put my phone in there. That was one thing that I did see on the video or Google when I was trying to research the bag. So it does fit a phone. I can absolutely put everything else I need in here, all of the essentials, keys, and everything else. So, but y'all, let me know which one y'all think is the preferred for you out of the two. The Kate Spade heart bag, a Love Shack bag, or the top handle tabby in the candy apple. And since I did record the video, this color is sold out online. It's probably a few stragglers in stores, but this particular color and bag is sold out, y'all. So that was also another factor that added to me kind of not knowing right away if I wanted to keep the top handle tabby and the Kate Spade, or only the top handle tabby, or only keep the Kate Spade bag and return the top handle tabby. So you all let me know what you would do. What would you do? Would you keep the Kate Spade bag only, both, or the top handle tabby? I look forward to reading you all's comments on that. And also the card case that I have for it, it matches it as well. The heart card case. So that's actually a perfect match for the Kate Spade bag as well. Isn't that cute, y'all? What you think? What you think? All right, y'all. So I'm going to keep it moving on to the next Coach item. that I did not know existed. And it was another item that I was actually standing in the store